we make it extremely simple for our customers to understand. I mean, I know you can make it super complicated understanding, oh, what goes into growing a company, but we call growth formula framework. It's acquisition plus retention equals growth. If you can figure out how to acquire customers consistently, and if you can figure out how to retain and grow those accounts over time, you are going to grow, right?
Hmm.
What goes into it, there's definitely a couple of levers that you need to pull. But at the end of the day, you need to be doing both of these things consistently. If not, you're not growing. What I mean by that is a lot of manufacturing companies over my years of being in this industry are really good at retaining customers. They do a great job of servicing them. They do a great job of production. They promise and deliver on time. They try to keep the price under control. They do a lot of those things. So they retain customers. So that's why many of these manufacturing companies are sustained over these years. And a
Hmm.
lot of them, had struggled when a lot of production went overseas because they lost some of those customers because they couldn't compete on price. But if many of them haven't figured out how to consistently acquire new customers, so that is where either they're doing some sort of outdated strategy, which is living off of a Rolodex and flipping and hoping and calling somebody and hoping they show up and pick up the phone and talk to them, or hoping to meet somebody at a trade show or whatnot, right? If you don't have a system in place to consistently drive new business, and you're not growing, right? And if you're losing clients at the same rate as you're acquiring customer, you're not growing. So all of these has to be in equilibrium to actually grow.